Hi friends! Today we are going to draw our brave police pup. Chase, are you ready? Let's go! First, let's draw his eyes. Chase has sharp eyes to watch everything around Adventure Bay. What color do you think his eyes are? We'll color them later. Now his little nose, and his big, happy smile. Chase always smiles when he's ready for action. Next, let's draw his big ears. One, and the other one. Did you know Chase has super ears? He can hear when someone needs help, even from far away. Let's draw his police hat now, because every good officer needs a cool hat. Wow! Look at that! Doesn't he look important with his hat? His head is ready. Let's move to his police collar. Chase wears a special collar with a star badge to show. He's part of the Paw Patrol team. Now, we draw his body. And his strong legs. Chase runs super fast to save the day. Time to add the little details. Here's his badge on the collar. And the badge on his police hat. Are you ready to color him? Let's give Chase his real colors. Or you can choose your favorite colors too. Be creative. Use any colors you like. Did you know? Chase is the fastest pup in the Paw Patrol team. Chase is always ready to help and protect Adventure Bay. Your drawing is looking amazing! Blue looks great for Chase's police uniform, but you can color it any way you like. Wow! He looks ready for a mission! Great job, little artists! You did amazing! See you next time for more fun drawings!